Woah.
Hello! One thing I've heard a lot is sick people talking about when they were afraid to get sick. Why was this? Were they afraid of any virus being deadly? Were they worried they weren't healthy enough? Did they feel their food choices weren't making them strong enough? Many possibilities, but either way, many did not feel comfortable with their current state of health and food choices in helping keep their immune system strong. I'm Ban Jazz, and this is why part of the information I'm getting to you this time is related to the latest breakthrough insights about food and health. 10 healthy foods to avoid getting sick. Number 10. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most nutritious foods on the planet and are frequently referred to as natural multivitamins. The yolk is where the vast majority of nutrients are found. It's packed with mineral vitamins and a wide variety of powerful nutrients. So throwing the yolk in the trash is the most absurd thing you can do. For no probable reason, eggs have been criticized for their cholesterol content. However, many studies have shown that this cholesterol is not bad, nor is there any relationship to cardiovascular disease. In fact, eggs contain easily digestible fats, mainly omega-3, very beneficial for the body. Number 9. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is one of the most delicious foods out there, and it's hard to find someone who doesn't like it. It is packed with fiber, iron, magnesium, copper, and manganese, but the most important factor is its broad spectrum of antioxidants with a higher concentration than any other food. Contrary to popular belief, a growing number of studies have shown that consuming dark chocolate has many health benefits, as long as we eat it frequently but in small portions. The recommended chocolate is black with a minimum of 70% cocoa, which is more beneficial than filled or milk chocolates. It reduces the probability of suffering from some diseases such as cancer, cerebrovascular heart diseases, and Alzheimer's. Eating a small square of high-quality dark chocolate every day can be one of the best ways to supplement your diet with an additional antioxidants. Number 8. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is similar in shape to the common potato but sweet in taste, and it has more vitamins than its sisters, the regular potatoes, and it is the only food with few calories that has a high concentration of vitamin E. This tuber is also rich in carbs, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. The orange varieties have beta-carotenes in abundance, and it is so rich in antioxidants that it is compared to algae. Its high potassium content contributes to normalize high blood pressure. It is an excellent palliative for intestinal inflammations of all kinds, helping to heal ulcers. Sweet potatoes also contribute to undoing toxic residues, since it binds with heavy metals, facilitating the evacuation of the organism. In a comparative study, it was found that the nutritional value of sweet potatoes was in a better position than any other vegetable after comparing the levels of vitamin A, C, calcium, protein, and complex carbs. Number 7. Oats. Oatmeal is a cereal that was formerly used to feed animals, but it is now one of the most consumed in the world for its special nutritional and energy qualities. Oatmeal has become a highly valued food. Many nutritionists recommend consuming oatmeal for breakfast. It is an excellent food for all kinds of people, especially for children and people who play sports daily, due to its energy supply. Cereals like oats are a very good source of carbs as well as water-soluble fiber that improves digestion and stabilizes blood glucose levels. Taking a bowl of oatmeal daily lowers blood cholesterol levels, and it is a weapon of protection against cancer due to the phytochemicals it contains. Number 6. Wheat germ. Most of the flours we consume and the different products obtained from cereals such as wheat come from a refining process in which parts of the grain are eliminated, including the germ. This part of wheat is the most tender and nutritious part of the grain, and it offers many health benefits, since, in addition to being an important source of protein and carbs, it contains several vital nutrients such as vitamin E, folic acid, thiamine, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus, or essential fatty acids, apart from being a source of fiber. It is a tissue regenerator due to its high amount of protein. Wheat germ is a food recommended especially for muscle development, and due to its iron contents, it benefits those who practice intense training. Wheat helps reduce and level the amount of sugar in the blood. It also reduces insomnia, anxiety, and stress, and it improves the appearance of the skin and your hair. Number 5. Lemons. Lemons have many health benefits that have been known for centuries because they contain many nutrients, especially citric acid, calcium, magnesium, and high amounts of vitamin C. A lemon has more than 20% of the recommended daily intake for vitamin C. Among the benefits studied about lemons, they are found to help you lose weight. They contain a significant amount of dietary fiber, mainly pectin, which can slow down gastric emptying, favoring the feeling of satiety, avoiding excessive intake of other foods, prevents obesity, cardiovascular diseases, and cancer. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea has a unique profile of components that are active against cancer. Green tea has been part of Asian cultures for centuries. It is a drink which is rich in antioxidants and nutrients that benefit the body in multiple ways, being a great support to strengthen your defenses and prevent diseases around the world. A cup of green tea every day can prevent various cardiovascular diseases. It is scientifically proven that the consumption of green tea helps prevent and reduce excess body weight. It was also determined that it helps activate metabolism and improves the ability to burn calories. Number 3. Spinach. This green leafy vegetable is highly valued worldwide for being one excellent choice due to the presence of minerals, vitamins, pigments, and phytonutrients including potassium, manganese, zinc, magnesium, iron, and calcium. It is also very resistant since it can survive climatic changes. It can be eaten raw as part of many salads, as a vegetable on a delicious dish, or it can be cooked and included in a series of recipes for soups, stews, and casseroles. Among its benefits widely studied is improving the quality of blood. Spinach is an excellent source for vitamins A, C, and folic acid. Vitamin K is important for bone health, and it is difficult to find vegetables with more vitamin K than spinach. Spinach is great for diabetes control, optimizes vision. It has everything. Number 2. Pomegranate juice. Several studies have shown that pomegranate is one of the fruits that has the most medicinal properties and benefits due to the positively acting compounds and chemicals it possesses. It is high in vitamin C, in addition to vitamin B5, natural phenols, potassium, vitamin A, vitamin E, and folic acid. In addition, it has high levels of antioxidants, which fight free radicals and prevent cell aging. A recent study concludes that pomegranate juice contains powerful antioxidants that prevent fat from depositing on the artery walls in the body. In this way, pomegranate juice prevents the development of heart disease and also eliminates fat, making it a great tool for weight loss. Number 1. Lentils. Lentils belong to the legume family and have a high concentration of nutrients. They are versatile, cheap, and so healthy that they should be a regular part of your diet. They are a source of zinc and vitamin B. Lentils give us a feeling of satiety and can help protect against heart disease and stabilize blood sugar. They are a good source of iron. They maintain metabolism and stand out for being an excellent remedy against constipation, colon disorders, and cardiovascular diseases, since fiber manages to keep blood cholesterol levels balanced. They also help in intestinal transit. They are good for teeth and bones, hair, skin, and nails. Research tells us that many of the illnesses and deaths are linked to underlying health problems instead of viruses. And that's actually good news, because studies show that we can prevent most cases of chronic illnesses like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, cancer, and Alzheimer's just by eating the right foods and avoiding the wrong ones. If you liked the video, you can help us a lot by liking and sharing it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to bring you more interesting things. We like to read you guys in the comments, so leave us your opinion, and if you want us to talk about a particular topic, do not hesitate to write in the comments below. I'm Ben Jazz, and this is Woah Viral.
Woah Viral.